Okay, going for a little adventure ride on the 690. Meeting up with a couple friends. Get going. It's about 50 degrees right now. Supposed to warm up to like 58. Nice cool day. I'm looking to get to that one though.
Let's go to the smoothest.
Yeah, exactly. There it is. I remember this now. It's a good road that cuts through over to Nelson.
I think I just lost my clutch. I'm scared he's gonna
What?
get serious if he doesn't need a backpack. Yeah, I just lost my clutch. What you do? Uh-oh.
How the fuck did that happen?
Are you in neutral? Look at it. It just went click.
Like something popped?
I don't know. You guys
Oh,
started.
dude.
Oh, wait.
What?
Oh, it's back. Let's ride! Rocky back and forth. Oh, we made it to 9 Mile Cove out at Lake Mohave. There's some serious wind today, but that's cool. It makes you feel like you're at the ocean. There's some serious waves. There's only one other person here today out on that point, but he's not bothering us and we're not bothering him. Cove, pretty cool. We have to come camp down here, like off the bike. Making our way over to the wash. We're gonna go check out a cabin. Oh, fuck! Oh my god. I'm glad I got these foam grips. Oh, my fucking hands are fucking numb.
Jesus.
Yeah, I wish I had foam grips on my bike.
Jesus.
Jesus Christ. It'll be a long ways back home.
Yeah, you should probably not stop.
Oh, about bucked me off. Alright, up this wash is a house. And Mike's been through it a couple times. It's pretty cool. It's an old mining house from the 50s. I think it's 50s. The question is, has Brian been here?
Yeah, they're taking me to new stuff. I assume we're camping here for the night?
Yeah, this is our accommodations. Have you been here before?
I don't think I've been to this one.
I brought Brian somewhere he's never been.
Nope.
Alright, I wonder if I should go in the front door or the side door. Alright, let's go in the front door. I believe this is the front door. It's a pretty small front room, if that's what it is. Alright, we got the bathroom. Still has a sink. This must be living room. I don't know what this front room is. This has got to be the kitchen. No, this isn't the kitchen. This is the kitchen. So weird. So if you ever explore places like this, see that? That's rat shit. You get hantavirus if you don't cover up. So that's why I got my face covered. I don't want to breathe in any of this crap. Literally, rat crap. But yeah, that's the little house out by Christmas Tree Pass.